Ready to turn your music passion into cold, hard cash? Imagine making $100 a day by simply tuning into your favorite tunes. Join me on this exciting journey as we explore the unconventional world of earning big bucks through the beats. Hit play, earn money. Let's dive into the rhythm of financial freedom. In the world of online opportunities, an emerging trend has captured the attention of individuals seeking to supplement their income through a seemingly unconventional method, earning money by listening to music. The allure of this prospect lies in its simplicity and accessibility, inviting people from different corners of the globe to partake in a venture that claims to offer financial rewards for the mere act of enjoying music. The gateway to this unique money-making endeavor is a website known as Mixkit. Users are encouraged to visit this platform to harness the potential of earning substantial sums simply by immersing themselves in the world of music. According to the presented information, individuals stand to earn $4.50 for each song they listen to. The promise extends further, asserting that diligent participants could accumulate as much as $45 by listening to a mere 10 songs. The claim is substantiated by anecdotes of individuals from various countries worldwide withdrawing money at an astonishing rate, creating an enticing narrative for those eager to explore this avenue. Upon navigating to Mixkit, users are directed to click on the Music section, the designated space where the magic ostensibly happens. A myriad of music tracks spanning various genres await eager ears. The promise of financial gain is associated with the simple act of listening to these tracks. The platform seemingly liberates users from the constraints of attribution or mandatory signups, offering a treasure trove of free and downloadable audio clips. The range is vast, with hundreds of thousands of songs available for exploration. As listeners, you can explore specific genres, such as acoustic or hip-hop, highlighting collections of free downloadable tracks within these categories. The emphasis is on the accessibility and abundance of these tracks, reinforcing the idea that anyone, even those with a newly minted account, can embark on this musical money-making journey. A crucial step in this process involves downloading the selected songs onto one's device. This video outlines the procedure, encouraging users to click on the play button to sample a song, with the option to listen to the entire track being entirely optional. Once a suitable song is identified, users are prompted to locate the download icon and initiate the download process. This step is iterated, urging users to repeat the process for multiple tracks, setting the stage for the subsequent phase of the money-making scheme. The narrative then shifts to introduce a different website integral to the money-making equation, 3plod.com. The purpose of this website, as elucidated in the video, is to reward users for sharing their downloaded music files. The mechanics are straightforward. Upload a song to the website, obtain a unique link, and share that link with others. Notably, 3plod.com offers a range of payment methods, accommodating users worldwide. Whether through PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Skrill, or other options, the website claims to provide flexibility in withdrawing earned funds. The minimum withdrawal threshold of $1 adds to the appeal, suggesting that users can swiftly convert their musical exploits into tangible financial gains. We can also illustrate the tiered payment system employed by 3plod.com. Users stand to earn varying amounts based on the geographic origin of the downloaders. Tier 1 countries, including the United States, Canada, Brazil, Vietnam, Indonesia, France, Finland, Thailand, and Nigeria, offer the highest payout at $7 per download. Tier 2 and Tier 3 countries follow, with decreasing payout rates, while Tier 4 countries offer the lowest at $2 per download. The inclusion of a referral system is briefly mentioned as an optional avenue for users to maximize their earnings. By inviting others to join the website, users can potentially boost their income, although this aspect is not delved into in great detail. To exemplify the practical application of this method, the video offers a step-by-step demonstration using a real-life example. Readers are guided through the process of creating an account on 3plod.com, uploading a downloaded song from Mixkit, obtaining the unique link, and subsequently sharing it for potential downloads. The simplicity of the process is underscored, emphasizing that no financial investment is required to participate. The strategy proposed involves leveraging the immense demand for sound effects in the realm of online content creation. Users are directed to explore YouTube, specifically searching for videos related to sound effects for YouTube videos. The rationale is that these videos, often accumulating millions of views, represent a lucrative opportunity for exposure. This video advocates for creating content around sought-after sound effects found on Mixkit, such as crickets, and then strategically placing links to the downloadable files on 3upload.com in the video descriptions. The potential for widespread adoption is highlighted by the sheer volume of YouTube channels and the perpetual need for engaging content that positions users to tap into a vast audience. A projection of potential earnings is presented, asserting that achieving 100,000 views on a video is a realistic target. The assumption is that a significant portion of these viewers, driven by their content creation needs, will download the suggested sound effects, thereby contributing to the user's earnings on 3upload.com. The straightforward nature of the method emphasizes the user-friendly accessibility of Mixkit, 3upload.com, and YouTube. The closing tone is one of encouragement, offering the assurance that dedicated adherence to the provided steps has the potential to generate a significant income. For individuals open to exploring this distinctive convergence of music, content creation, and online earnings. There are many other music apps that pay. Let's look into that in detail. The first method discussed is the ubiquitous Spotify. Established in 2008, Spotify stands as a stalwart in the music streaming realm. Beyond its extensive music and podcast library, Spotify offers distinct avenues for monetization. It introduces the concept of curating playlists on Spotify, a task that can yield financial returns through platforms like Playlist Push. Curators meeting specific criteria can earn between $15 and $20 for each song review, presenting a tangible means of income within the Spotify ecosystem. Moving beyond the familiar confines of Spotify, the video introduces Radio Earn, an online platform that facilitates earnings through listening to internet radio. The mechanism is straightforward. Users sign up, listen to radio broadcasts, and accumulate points that can be converted into cash or rewards. With an updated payout system accommodating various digital currencies, Radio Earn ensures a broader reach for its users. Earnably, the third method explored emerges as an online rewards platform offering diverse ways to make money, some of which are related to music. Users can earn rewards by watching music videos, engaging with music-related content, completing music surveys, or participating in music-related offers. The accumulated points can then be redeemed for cash via PayPal or a selection of gift cards, providing flexibility for users to choose their preferred form of compensation. The exploration continues with Current, an app designed to reward users for listening to music. By streaming favorite songs and discovering new ones, users accrue points that can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. The user-friendly interface and the seamless integration of music appreciation with passive income generation make Current an attractive option for those seeking financial benefits from their music consumption. Transcribing or translating music lyrics emerges as a lesser-known yet viable method for earning extra income. The video introduces the concept of leveraging linguistic skills and spending time at home to transcribe or translate music lyrics. Companies such as Will Localize provide opportunities for individuals proficient in multiple languages to contribute to this niche market. Some companies offer compensation for individuals sharing their opinions about new and upcoming music. These focus groups, paying between $75 and $100, present a lucrative opportunity for individuals without geographical constraints, offering an avenue for substantial earnings in exchange for valuable insights. YouTube, a behemoth in the digital content space, becomes the ninth method. Creating a YouTube channel for reviewing new music is proposed as a viable option, provided individuals are comfortable being on camera and can cultivate a substantial audience. Despite the challenges posed by copyright issues, a successful YouTube channel can attract sponsors and merchandise sales, offering additional revenue streams for content creators. The final method explored involves podcasting, a widely popular format that spans various niches. Creating a music podcast, if approached with time and resources, is posited as a means to generate a solid income. Monetizing the podcast through various channels allows creators to build an audience, select a niche, and implement a paid subscription option for dedicated listeners, transforming a passion for music into a sustainable source of income. It encapsulates the essence of leveraging one's love for music to unlock diverse avenues for passive income. While acknowledging that these methods may not replace a full-time job, they are presented as valuable sources of supplemental income. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comments section about your experience. Please make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Catch you next time. Bye.